Hello, everybody. How are you? I'm so happy to meet you today also for a new game for trading games. I will name it trading games. My trading plans, as I discussed previously, depend on many factors that I took it in my strategy. It included the PDRA fair value gap change in the state of delivery or market structure shift rejection block, turtle soup, and breaker block. Today we make also a profitable trade, which is very beautiful. We can see it. How can I make it? As you can see, there is a trend line in the gold. When we go to the sorry, to the daily time frame, we can see that the price is coming from the high after mitigation of this high of the daily, and also there is also low of this day and mitigation of this also. There is 2 days. This is first on daily time frame. When we change it on H4, when we change it on H4, sorry, you can see that there is no in these bullish candles. There is a rejection here. There is a rejection here from this from this swing high of the day. Okay, so there is a possibility that the price will look for liquidity lower. Will look for liquidity lower. So this is the first. This is the first. There is a rejection on H4. Rejection H4. Okay, this is first, and this is winch high external liquidity. It is the BDRI, and it is represented the high of the day of the previous 2 days, and this is also represented the high of the previous 2 days. On second time frame, which is the 2H, also we can see that there is a fair value gap here. There is a fair value gap here, and there is also a small fair value gap here, but the price didn't respect it. Didn't respect it. You can see it. So this is a fair value gap, and also there is another fair value gap here. You can see it here. Okay, and this is disrespected because the closure of this candle here. And we change on H1. When we change on H1, we can see that this rejection block on H4, it contains a fair value gap here and bearish fair value gap, which is very important. Bearish fair value gap. This is bearish fair value gap. Okay, this is fair value gap. Okay, H1 fair value gap. I will make it smaller to see it. This is a bearish fair value gap. So PDRA also rejection block present, fair value gap also present. This is very good. And then what is the target when the price return? Maybe the target is this low. Maybe the target is this low, or maybe the target is this low. We don't know. We should be humble in taking profit. On 30 minutes, we can see that there is also order block here. This is order block, and this is fair value gap on H1, and also fair value gap on 30 minutes. And there is a mitigation. This is a mitigation also. We didn't reach. We didn't see it when it occurred before this times, and we follow to see more on lower time frame. On 15 minutes, we can see this is order block, this is fair value gap, this is order block, this is fair value gap. We can see that the price, we find it here, and we see this is the fair value gap, that it is not respected. We can see also, we can see that there is a rejection block here it is against the trend because the trend is moving down. So we will neglect this rejection block because it is against the market structure. You can see this is the market structure. So this rejection block is against the market structure, so we will not follow it. And we see that the price is break market structure here and return to this area. When it return to this area, we will see what happened. This is a rejection block. This is a very good sign also. Um, we can see this is a rejection block and the price return to this area. Okay, and when we go to the H1, we see that the price here in this area, how the price return to this area and make on 1 minute fair value gap and break of structure, multiple break of structure. We enter here. We enter here in this area. We enter here in this area. Okay, and take the profit here. Take the profit here. We can take the profit here also. We can take the profit also here, the low of this swing. So we take a profit here. We enter here selling and take a profit here, or waiting more to take the profit here more. That's all my I want to say. I want to say it about my profit. All the factors are available. PDA, which is the swing high, which is the swing high on H4. We can see it. PDRI, which is the swing high. This is the candle. This is the swing high. It is the high of the day, but also it is another high of the day. And there is a rejection block. This is first on H4. It is very good signs, and the price may continue to the 3343. Maybe I don't know. And also there is another signs which is called fair value gap, which is this fair value gap. It is unusual context against the trend, and also there is a fair value gap with mitigation and a rejection block on 30 minutes, and also sorry 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 and on 15 minutes there is also, we catch the price here. There is a rejection and the price return to this area. Mhm. uh, I think the price will move more also. We see on 1 minute that the price make a fair value gap here and mitigation, and then continue to the lower. That's all I want to say about it today, about the gold. Thank you very much and see you later.